Shared joy, doubled joy. A joy that is shared is a joy that is double. My dear brothers and sisters in Christ, the gospel for today tells us of the visitation narrative between cousins Mary and Elizabeth. Pareho po kasi silang pinagpala. Pareho silang blessed. Natatandaan natin si Elizabeth at ang asawa niyang Zacarias ay baog at matanda na. And for the longest time, they prayed to have a son or a child. And in God's time, pinagpalas ang mag-asawa, biniyayaan sila ng anak na yung magiging anak ay papangalan ng Juan na siyang magiging tagapanguna at tagabinyan sa paparating na si Jesus. Tagampan o on the way si Elizabeth, pero blessed din si Mary sapagkat she was privileged to bear the Son of God, Jesus. Kaya ito po'y lovely encounter ng magpinsan na pinagpala. A lovely encounter ng dalawang pregnant women. Kaya ang tema ng visitation narrative ay napakasimple. Share your blessings. And when you will share, the joy is doubled. Kapag tayo po ay nagiging makasarili sa mga blessings natin, malungkot yan. Kapag tayo lang ang nagtatamasa ng pagpapala ng Diyos sa atin, isa po itong miserableng buhay. Subalit, kapag meron tayong blessings at ibinabahagi ito, hindi lang nagbibigay ng galak, kundi nadodoble ang galak. A joy that is shared is a joy that is doubled. Ito po yung nangyari kay Maria. She shared her joy to be the mother of God. And she shared it to her cousin Elizabeth and vice versa. Kanya yung joy that was shared was double. Ano ang lesson to learn sa atin? Dapat G ka. What is G? Generous ka. At dapat opposite dito, wag G o greedy. It's about G to be generous, not to be G as greedy. Mga kapatid, alam ko po na bawat isa naman sa atin ay merong pagpapalang tinanggap sa Diyos. Ang question, nagbigay ba tayo? We are graced or blessed by God with 3 T's: time, talent, treasure. Yet the question is, are these giftedness in us of time, talent, and treasure, are we able to give? Are we able to share? It was said that no one is so poor not to give, and no one is so rich not to need. Kaya hindi natin pwede sa, wala ako ibibigay. Paano pa ako magbibigay? No. No one is so poor not to give. Bawat isa has his own share sa blessings ng Diyos. Huwag po natin sarilinin. Bagkus, ibahagi. We are in the Christmas season. You have received your 13th month pay. You have received your bonus. You have received gifts and gifts left and right. Did you enjoy it by yourselves? Wala na ngayon, ubos na. Questionin ang sarili. How much of these blessings have I appropriated to share to the needy, to the least, lost, and lost brothers and sisters of ours? Never that this Christmas will end without any generous act that we do in our life. Or else, this Christmas will just be a failure. This Christmas will be just for naught, for nothing. Because Christ is a gift. And therefore, the call of the birth of Christ is that his birth be continuously lived by being a gift to others. That's why yung atin pong 500 years of Christianity theme was, alaala, no? Ganda nun. Gifted to give. At sana, my dear brothers and sisters, we learn from Mary and Elizabeth, who shared their joys, and the joys were double. If we want to have our joy in life doubled, then share your joys to others.